how to watch live match on Cricbuzz. So if you want to watch a match on Cricbuzz, then all you need to do is you just need to simply install the application. Now, the application only provides live scores, commentaries, stats, and updates. So you cannot watch live video on Cricbuzz. What you can do is follow a live match on Quick. To do it, you need to first just open up your App Store or your Play Store, then go with the search and then search for Cricbuzz. And once you install, you need to tap on Open, go with Allow with the notifications. Now, once inside, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the match. Like, for example, I'll just simply go with the match option, which will be on the bottom, and go and select any match that you're comfortable with. After selecting the match, you can just simply go with the live section. You can just simply go with live or info or scorecard, squads, or overs. You will have all of the other options, like you will have all of the information, but you won't be able to view the live match. You'll be able to see the score, you'll be able to see the live score ball, commentary, and scorecard. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.